It is said that we spend over 3 hours on our phones every single day. That's 45 whole days in a year. Yet what do? We go on Instagram, we may watch a few TikToks. Well, instead of wasting time doing that, use your phone to generate an income. Today I'm going to talk about 7 ways you can make money using just your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone, you can use these 7 side hustles to make you money using just your mobile phone. And I'm going to rate each side hustle so you know if it's worth doing. So let's get into the first side hustle, which is an Instagram theme page. You can make a lot of money through Instagram through something called a faceless Instagram theme page. Now, what's a faceless Instagram theme page? It's pages that post valuable content within a certain niche. For example, we have this page called Business Mentorship. They are within the business niche and they post content related to business by posting a picture with some text on it. Now, you can make this very easily using services like Canva. You should also post stories, posts, and Instagram reels to get your content pushed out so you can gain a lot of followers. Now, how do you make money doing this? Well, you get paid for something known as a shout out. Essentially, companies and other small businesses will either DM you or email you to get you to shout out their product, service, or page. And in return, they will pay you. All you've got to do is make a post about a product, page, or service and have a link attached to it. You can also make money through something called affiliate marketing. This is where you advertise other products or services from companies, and when someone clicks on that link and buys a product, you'll earn a percentage of that fee. It's literally extremely easy, and once you grow a massive following, you could honestly earn well over $50,000 a month. I can make a full step-by-step guide on how to do this, so make sure you drop it down in the comments below and I'll make a video. I'm going to rate this side hustle an 8 out of 10. The reason for that is that the earning potential is extremely high, however it will take time to grow the followers. The next one is selling on Etsy. Etsy is one of the biggest marketplaces online and the earning potential is crazy. All you got to do is download the Etsy seller app from the App Store. Now let's look at this seller who here turns regular pictures into paintings. They have over 50,000 sales and are selling the services for roughly $10, which means they have made around $500,000 profit. I say profit because there's literally no other cost for them, and you can start a business just like this. Now you're probably asking, how will you turn pictures into paintings? Well, it's very simple. You're going to use AI. Using AI, you'll be able to turn regular pictures into full-blown paintings, and then you're going to provide this as a service which will allow you to make money online. There are several apps which you can download which does the exact same thing. Once you get an order, you just put the picture into the app, let AI do its magic, and then you can send it to the client. You can also use places like Fiverr and create your own gig and do the exact same thing. I'm going to rate this a 6 out of 10. The next one on the list is phone tutorials. Now with this one, what you can do is literally screen record or even record your phone and going through how to use different apps and different settings. Then you can upload these videos onto YouTube and make ad revenue. Now you may think this won't work, but you have this YouTuber who has over 1.3 million subscribers, and all he does is record his phone and goes through different apps and different settings. If we look at his Social Blade profile, he's earning some serious money, and it says his earnings are around 90 to 197,000 a year. And knowing about what I know about how much money you can make on YouTube, this money is definitely towards the upper end. I'm going to rate the side hustle a 7 out of 10 because of how easy it is, and the earning potential is also very high. The next side hustle using your phone is YouTube thumbnails. One of the most important aspects of any video on YouTube is the actual thumbnail. Think about it, you can have the best video, but if your thumbnail's not great, no one's going to click on that video. A lot of YouTubers outsource their thumbnail creation to other people. And as we mentioned about how important YouTube thumbnails are, YouTubers are likely to pay a lot of money to get a thumbnail made. This is where you'll come in. All you got to do is post gigs on websites like Fiverr or even Upwork. You can also respond to YouTubers who need a thumbnail created via Upwork. You can also message and email YouTubers directly. Now to make the thumbnails, you'll need to download Canva from the App Store. Canva has a ton of templates that you can edit and customize to make a YouTube thumbnail. I'd also recommend watching some YouTube videos so you can learn how to create very high quality thumbnails using Canva. Honestly, you can earn up to $1,000 a week doing this part-time. And once you build up a good list of clients and they are happy with your work, you can expect them to constantly use your service again to make more thumbnails. Now I'm going to rate this a 6 out of 10. You can make very good money doing it. However, you'll need some sort of design skills to push this business further. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's move on to the next side hustle, which you can do from your phone, which is creating business logos. Similarly to YouTube thumbnails, brand new companies or even existing companies will need a logo created or rebranded. So just like the YouTube thumbnails, you'd create gigs on Fiverr or Upwork where you would design a logo for the company. Now you're probably wondering, how will you create the logos? Well, with the help of AI, this process becomes extremely easy. You can either go on these free AI website tools that can generate you a logo within a matter of seconds, or if you want to make the logo slightly more premium, you can use a tool called Midjourney. You can type in a prompt like create me a logo using an eagle. Midjourney will then come up with something like this. You can earn up to $1,000 a week with only a handful of clients. And the best part is you're getting AI to create the designs for you. As AI does most of the work for you on this one, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10 as you can make a lot of money doing this. Now the next side hustle you can do using just your phone is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is seriously one of the best ways to make money online. If you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, let me explain. Affiliate marketing is where you plug in affiliate links where if someone clicks on the link and buys the product or service, you will earn a commission. Using websites like ClickBank and Digistore, you can get access to a huge list of different affiliate programs that you can use to earn you money. Now you'll select something you want to promote on there and it will generate you your own affiliate link which you can then plug into one of your social media networks. One of the best ways to do this is to make a video around the product and then plug in the affiliate link in the description. You can either do this by creating a YouTube account and creating YouTube shorts around the product or service. In the video, you'll need to hype it up and get people to click on the link in the description so that they can purchase the product. One of the best ways to do this is to create like a list, like a top 5 or a top 10. So for example, you can create something like the top 5 headphones. Then in the description, you can put in 5 affiliate links which you can generate using Amazon's affiliate program. Once someone buys any of your products, you'll get a cut. I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. It's definitely one of the best ways to make money online and is extremely passive. Another way you can do affiliate marketing is through TikTok, which is the final side hustle on this list. TikTok is a great way to make money using just your mobile phone. Now to make money using TikTok, you're going to create something called a faceless TikTok page. A faceless TikTok page is a page where you'll create videos based around your niche. For example, this is one of my TikTok pages and as you can see I have over 140k followers. I managed to grow this extremely quickly and I think anyone can do this. And if you look at the content, you can tell the content is not mine at all. And literally all I did for this particular page was I screen recorded a bunch of boxing interviews, chopped it up using something called CapCut and added some captions. Again, I did all of this just using my mobile phone. As you can see, I had a few videos go viral and I've made over £1,000 on TikTok and so much more on affiliate marketing. I have made a full step-by-step video on how to do this on TikTok, so make sure you click that link over there. I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10 because this was one of the first ways I made money online and honestly it's extremely easy to do. Let me know down in the comments which one of the side hustles was your favorite and which one you are looking forward to do. As always, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and we'll catch you guys for another video.